And the races on Apple Splash, Devil in Disguise, Taste and See. And moving up by the roll is Boogie Shoes again. Mega Drive rushing up Dagger Look Hepburn, Dugus Pet from the outside. Boogie Shoes again, Devil in Disguise, Taste and See. And on the outside is Dagger Look, Apple Splash, Dugus Pet is racing in 6 from the outside. Hepburn running in 7th position. Rompe Candado 8th position. Last 450, Bugisius again, followed by Devil in Disguise, Apple Splash, Danori inside, Daisensi, Dagger Look, and Dugus Pet. Inside the last 200, Bugisius again by Sam, 2 lines followed by Apple Splash, Dugus Pet 1A from the outside, and nearing the finish line, Boogie Shoes again, followed now by 1A Dugus Pet Apple Splash, and finally Boogie Shoes again, Dugus Pet Apple Splash, Dagger Look, Taste and See, Rompecandado, Devil in Disguise.